Hello everyone, this is Hobby Crochet, and today I would like to share with you how to create this lovely rose. This is the pattern for beginners. We will create the ribbon with plenty of double crochets and then fold it over, and there you are. You've got lovely looking rose. Then we will just stitch it over, and that's it. And I will show you how to create this rose. I will show you the pattern. You can make this rose smaller by starting with small amount of chain stitches, or even larger, adding a few stitches. I'm using this yarn and 2.5mm crochet hook. This is double knitted. I think it's number 4. I'm not sure. I will not tell you. So you start with chain, foundation chain, 28 chain stitches. And then I will make 2 double crochet into the 4th chain stitch. Skip 3 and into the 4th. Two double crochets. Chain 1. Then skip 1 stitch and make 3 double crochet, all together in this stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 3 double crochets. Then repeat the pattern.
Hello.
Chain 1, 3 double crochets.
I'm making today
All along
lovely
this chain.
pillow. Then I go single crochet into the arch.
At the end of the row you will have it already curled, but we will make more double crochets. Chain 2, double crochet in the first stitch, then 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 2 and single crochet in chain 1 space. And this is your first petal of our rose. chain 2, second petal, double crochet, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, one double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, and single crochet. This is second petal is done. Chain 2, third petal, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2 and single crochet. And then you will just repeat the pattern. Just like that. At the end of the row I have made 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet in the last stitch, very last stitch, then chain 2 and single crochet, again somewhere there in the last stitch. Then I want to make 2 slip stitches just to take the end of the yarn on the foundation chain, like that. Chain 1 to secure the last stitch, leave the tail. We will use this tail to stitch the flower together, and then you just fold it. Very easy design, and I'm sure you can find lots of use for it. Then using the tail with the needle, you just go over the base and secure the rows. I will finish my white rows, and then I will continue with blue. And so there you are, lovely looking little rose. It is not little, it is a medium size rose, I would say. And very easy pattern. Thank you for stopping by and hope you like my tutorials. Bye for now.